Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix for your dropshipping site, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, select Create New Site from your dashboard. Choose Online Store as the type of site you want to build. Wix will guide you through selecting a template. Pick a template that suits your vision for your dropshipping store. After choosing, click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Familiarize yourself with the Wix editor interface. Start by customizing the site name and logo. Go to Settings in the left-hand menu. Select Site Address to set your domain. You can connect a custom domain if you already have one. Now, let's set up an online payment method. Open the Merchant Tools option from the left menu. Click on Accept Payments to choose your payment providers. Popular options include PayPal or credit card processors. Next, set up your product inventory. Go back to the left menu and select Store. Click on Products and then Add New Product. Fill in the product details including name, description, and pricing. Upload high-quality images for your products. After adding products, it's time to organize your catalog. Create collections or categories to streamline navigation for customers. Now, focus on the shipping settings. Select Settings again and click on Shipping. Configure your shipping rates based on delivery zones. Consider flat rate shipping or calculated rates depending on your needs. Next, let's set up a dropshipping app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.